What happened to SMR? CCJ, by the way. For those of you that are unfamiliar, that happen to be signing on, whether it be today or not, go to this. This is where it's all at. The red YouTube button. Guy named Dale Pinker, they call him Coach. Coach, who actually interviews people like Jack Schwager, people called the Pivot King, David Hunter, and so forth. Okay, we do a couple of videos a day. Coach at 9:30, me obviously 11 Eastern, 3 p.m. power hour. Quite honestly, that's what in my opinion, that's where the value is. All right, go back and look what we're doing here. Okay, going back to the TradeGATEHub room, always going upgrades, downgrades, research. I owe it to the people, the OGs in the room, to get back into some trading and look what's been going on. Okay, Lewis, aware. Okay, look. Okay, let me tell you guys what the deal is today. My Twitter feed. Okay, not the judge and the jury. And by the way, I appreciate the room, whoever it is, Surfs Up, posting as I speak. Look at this. We have a bunch of people here working in TradeGATEHub. We employ, it's a little bit, it's a team. Thank you for posting that live as I go. Coach the same. All right. Well, let's go to the Twitter feed, okay? Birds of it, like my parents used to say, birds of a feather flock together, okay? I only follow 67 people, okay? Only financial. No MILFs, no horse racing, no sports, nothing outside trading, okay? So you can always delete and go forth and do whatever you have to do. So if you don't follow everybody, at least I'm not sure if you can follow Crude at the Lows, you bitch. Is this my likes? This will tell you a little bit what's going on. This is what I like. Besides me. WTI dips as cushioning tank bottoms loom. Crude. Oil stocks are keeping me in the, I don't want to say in the game. I'm not drowning. I'm adding to a couple of, listen, I'm human. Trades became positions. I know what I'm doing. And you know why I know what I'm doing? Whether I'm right or wrong, I'm able after almost 3 decades to evaluate each position. If I wasn't long CCJ now, which I'm not, unfortunately I'm long SMAR, brought it up yesterday. If I wasn't, would I buy it now? I don't know. Stock's at 49. There's a 200-day. I brought it up. It's the best of breed. Maybe if it bounces at the 50-day, the other ones have a bounce. Better trades, but that's what things that I look at, okay? Let's go back in here. Crude. Positive delta since the open, my boy. Dip buys are active with passive sell reloads. Very important. Okay, there's Jake. Wow, these quantum names are getting wrecked. Haven't seen this type of action in a while. This type of action, on top of the action, if you will, on what we've been seeing to be, is that there's been pretty good action. Right, quantum names, it had 50%. Stairs up, elevator down. And what did it start with? I posted it last evening. And I should. IONQ, power hour last evening. I said his potential's short. Never much. Last night at the close, Nevada CEO Jensen mentioned he loves quantum computing. He says it may be 15, 30 years away. You had plenty of time to lay these things out. Obviously, you could have shorted on the open it down. Did down 50% on the day as we speak, of some of them. I don't want to look at them. In a couple, I pointed out the IONQ trade at 2,800 shares, 3,000 shares. Actually, 8,000 shares of SMAR alone is hurting me, or I'm not going to let me get back in here. Okay. So we mentioned it. Okay. Now, Jim Cramer, you hate him, love him, fade him, go with him, whatever you want to do. High level opinion. It is what it is. Guys up earlier than me. Which quantum computer company is going to do a giant secondary? I believe it was Dave Rigetti. Oils, gold, always posting commodities. Mick Dooley up, making more money before I wake up, and I wake up right at basically at 4. Okay. CGBS, I get it. Always upgrades. Get back into the play. Do I have any people on here? Jeff, we need you to show up, Big Daddy. Where is everybody? Listen. Basically 4. Caesar, thank you for all you do. Appreciate the comment. Let me know how I can help her make TradeGATEHub better. Always, seriously. I know, just I lost my train of thought. We'll look at stocks a second. I have a whole thing here. I'm going to check up on what stocks were. Fubo, it's two stocks in Teva. Great flow yesterday, nice and clean. They worked. All right, I was probably going to pontificate on something, but I won't. If I lost my train of thought, it had to be something maybe that hurt my brain to think instead of just thinking of a stock. So I digress. All right, another high level opinion. All right, shopping. Fed minutes today at 2. 30-year bond auction at 1. May not be that relevant, but in this type of market with action in certain sectors we haven't seen in a while, it's an excuse for a market to move. Believe me. Holiday tomorrow. Oh, I just remembered. By the way, it is the cliche. It's real. I'll tell you what it is. Long holidays or, days off are bullish. It is what it is. It's predicated on the VIX, the TLT today a little bit. Jobs data on Friday. It's a holiday tomorrow. The hell am I going to do on what is it, Thursday? I know what I'm going to do. Freaking be charting. The hell am I going to do? 22 degrees in upstate New York. My dog won't come out. He's freaking freezing. He's done, Tony Pistachio. The wife works, of course. That's my hedge. Thank God. I suggest you do the same. Caesar, thanks for the comment. All right, Jeff. Yeah, no, nothing looks good. I get it. Listen, sometimes, okay, now a cliche pops in my head. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Being in cash is a trade. It's all true to a degree. Everybody's got their style. I wish I wasn't that heavy dude. As a matter of fact, not thank God. CCJ, no bounce off this freaking thing. What happened to this SMR? SMAR. I can't look. A little bounce off SMAR. We got a little bounce on SMAR. And listen, my price on SMAR is what, 20? I'm at to sell it. No, 2047. I'll sell it at 1978 when Secretariat won the Triple Crown. I do things always in even numbers if you had a look. All right, another one, Helene. Okay, doesn't post much anymore. When she does, listen. A multi-time guest on TGH. Thank you to, again, Coach Dale Pinkert. Is today the realization day for the Bandoleros? Or what are the Bandoleros? Okay, we took in everything that everybody's talking about. The 10-year. Coach has been talking about it, always talks about it, really. But now it seems like it's trading, it's correlating to more trading. And Coach, bravo, Coach with the trading. There's the TLT. Is this the day? Now, maybe that's why the homies are acting strong. I don't know. GLDs are acting strong. GDX, those March calls work. They're still going. I was waiting for the dip. I don't know if I'm going to get them in or not. IONQ, let's look at it. All right, I'm in it. All right, you want to look at the IONQ? Let's get back to trading, Jeff, and thank you. Guys, stop picking, especially with the guys who've been speaking up. The people that don't, I know that you're not going to get a free sweatshirt when it's time to do it. All right, that's what you get. No free sweatshirt. You got to speak up. Thanks, Jeff. IONQ, I'll get into it in a second. Just let me get into some more points because I am in it and I don't want to get, minute trade. Big deal. Actually, I shouldn't say big deal. I'm not in it to be passive. All right, let's look at some highs here. Let's look at Lido. Hold on. Let's look at what I look at. Boom. What's this? Boom. Boom. You share. I'm bad between sharing. I can't wait till you go verbal and go change screen. All right. BREA. Highs. AMC bullish. Home Depot. Leonard bearish. That's the opposite. Believe me, they're covering. This is Tony Pistachio. Come on, man, pup. Come in. Come over here. Come here. Most active list. Come here, Bush. Come here. Most active list. Kerr brought it up before. Dave Rigetti. Off the low. I'm in it. Oh, my God. The VIX. The dog. He just went, listen, he freaking went right there. He's a warrior too, this dog. He's up with me 4 a.m. But he went right into the covers. Excuse me. There's the list. Santa. Look, Quantum. VIR. VIR is another vaccine stock. You know what I looked at again? Hold on, Tony. VIR, vaccines. I looked at it last night too. You know what goes with it? Alt. Alt. I kind of like alt. I might build a position in that, but I thought it'd pop more. But you know what? The one today is that one, the vaccine stock. Sold plug and dipped my back toe in. I don't blame you. Man's best friend. Where is Pistachio? Come here. Ooh. Freaking Tony Pistachio. He can hit a bid. He looks like me too. Look at him. Pistachio. He's a good boy. Tony Pistachio. All right, the list. Tesla. Let's see if it bounces. AMD. Giving none back. Still down 5. Hold on. Let's go to the list. QS, the battery maker. What are you doing with that, Jeff? QS, 580. What do we do? Oh, QS, 200 day. That's a nice. QS, 200 day. My lord. Oh. Good luck on me. Okay. 200 day. Don't forget to bite mommy when she comes home, too. Remember, bite mommy. All right, let's move in now. I do bullish. I do bullish. The first one to take China calls. We interested. There it is. Good capitulate. You never know. All right, I'll leave it there. I'll leave it there. Is there anything more? Let's look at, you know what? Let's man up. Man up. Let's look at the list. QS. What's moving? Percent gainers in 15 minutes. I don't have anything. QBTS, Santa. Percent losers, 15 minutes. You probably have a couple of them. QUBT. I think I'm in that. IONQ with the low. Oh no. There's IONQ. I'm in it. Okay, why did I buy it? Where did I buy it the first time? 28.50 as you go on TGH. I had a profit in it. I'm gonna stick with it. I'm not
TGBS and get it lower.
QUBT. First buy was, I'll show you. I was up in this bastard. My first buy was actually it was 28.50 where it should have been. I got maybe a little, yeah, bought and sold it, and then 28.50. And the first price was 28.50, which was right here. Actually, right here, this red bar. And then I went to the weekly, where it's actually the place to really buy it is here. The weekly is coming to boom. See this right here? Boom, boom, boom. That first breakout and close. 27.96 is actually below that. Someone's calling me. Does people know what I do here? I don't know what to do with it. I'm not built. You know what? It's like hard money now. It's hard money now. Futures are freaking flying. Roku, Santa, Smart, CRWD, IONQ. I got to do 200. I'll bid for it. All right. What's bouncing? Anything? Nothing's bouncing. Listen, for the futures, 588 low. Actually, they're not doing anything. Roku acting positive. Fobu, card, Instacart. Fobu was positive. I don't know why I'm buying this IONQ. What else am I doing? QUBT, is that it? Oh, no, I'm wrong. This thing. I was just up in it. QBTS bounced. This is a bad situation. What am I doing in these things? FCX, Flow, GDX, nothing. What is this, SGA? Nothing. Lennar, homies. Oh, Lennar making moves. Where the freaking homies? Down 123. I was down 160 when I started. I'll take it.
Upgrades.
Whoa. Where's my charts? my positions, as I always
Is
say.
anything going on?
Riot, had calls.
You're up and down. Where is it?
I'm more riot.
Listen.
Snap, taking calls. Sound, IONQ. Did I get it?
Thank you for all you do. Appreciate the comment.
Well, I'm in stereo.
I know I can help her make sure you get better always. Seriously.
That's freaking me out. All right, futures going positive. Apple, Microsoft, Mag 7, Meta. Oh, not a Mag 7. APP, EGO, gold are breaking high. EMVX battery players. Where's QS? Are we going to help it out? Yeah, we are. 28,000 QS. Did it just roll on? Hold on. Let's not act like the day trader that we started doing. That's how we got here. No, it's over. I should buy it. Back. The weekly. I can get it cheaper. Futures. AMD bullish. Buying AMD off the bottom. There they go. They're buying it now. There comes some flow. Want to try it? Can do worse. Can do better. I think BB is a very special stock. That's one of the first. Yeah, I'm relying on natural gas stocks in the fund at least. Now I'm relying on JMIA, the African Amazon. No problem. I'm
I
in.
think EV is
I'm in here. Nothing. They're even stopping at the bottom fishing. The bottom fishers. PDD. I don't see anything. Listen, this is the break highs. I still have City. I have City. Not gonna lie. I want to get out of it. I'm offering out of it. It just it didn't work. XLB homies are breaking high. The XLB. Started off with the day talking about the homies in it. I couldn't get into anything sexy. I looked at them too. The last stock that I looked at was Toll Brothers to buy, but it was like $132 stock, $125 stock. You know, what am I going to do? Dead cat bounces. VIX. Look at the normal culprits as we get to be 11 o'clock. Right before a holiday tomorrow. There's the VIX. No man's land. Probably support at the 50-day. If it goes back below, it's got support at the other ones. Choppy. I look at, listen, you know what that says to me? Obviously I know what's going on, but I consider myself a doctor at charts. Yes, I am. Say it. I don't care. Looking at these things for freaking 12 hours a day, the last 30 years, if not more. That says that to look at that and there's an X-ray that says chop. What it says. Mike VLB in the room. Oh, you know what I mean? Could always kind of tell how I'm trading. Wearing the same sweatshirt. The freaking 5 o'clock shadow's a little darker. Hair's messed up. You could tell. You can tell. The gimme. Things are trading well. I'm looking at property. I'm wearing the Ferragamos. I got the Y. Everything's on. Bowing at the highs. Oh, why not? I know what that's good for. Jeff Norman's UAL. Oof. Boy, is that coiled. Holy smokes. Look at freaking UAL. Delta has earnings Thursday, I believe. Friday. Fact. Oh, no, not fact. ALK was the first one they got sexy with, I'm not going to lie. And Jeff, I think your first comment ever here with ULCC. I didn't even know what the hell it was. I think that was down cheap. You liked it too. Nice job. BTU, they're buying it. Remember that yesterday off the bottom? There it goes. Now I'll leave it there, right? Disney low of the day. Insanity. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, cheers. Mike V, I'll be in the room. Remember, tomorrow we're off. The market's closed. How about that? Big shower.